Hey everybody, welcome to Mbrp TV. My name is Mbrp. I'd like to just take a moment and tell you about our new Challenger exhaust system. You can see it mates right to the front pipes. We've got our new oval resonator in here. It combines chambered style muffler technology as well as straight through design for maximum performance gains. Over here we have our new tuning tubes. This is the part that has changed this whole exhaust system and has taken out the 15 to 1800 RPM frequency issues in the 6-speed cars. This has literally made this system unbelievable. This is the part that's going to make the difference. Moving towards the back, we have again mandrel bent tails, and at the back we have our full Mbrp high flow, fully welded stainless steel mufflers with our retro styled Challenger exhaust tips. Muscle car enthusiasts have come to rely on Mbrp for huge performance gains. This car is no different, with dyno results showing 20 horsepower at the wheels. Not only are we delivering the horsepower gains, but we're also delivering that 60s muscle car sound with no drone and no resonance issues now in this new Challenger.